My name's Jack, and this is my boat. She's a classic catch from the 70s that's in need of some love. I decided to start these videos to document the progress of her full restoration. From masts and rigging to the new engine. Welcome to the ship's log. Welcome aboard the Albatross. Ladies and gentlemen, on this video I'm going to be removing lots of stuff. In particular, this Dr. Octopus looking wiring harness for the radio and the stereo and all the other areas that I don't want on my boat anymore. Also, this whole area is becoming kind of like a catch-all, which I'm not a huge fan of. Got lots of extra outlets and stupidity and stuff that I don't like. I'm going to go back to try to get it as stock as possible, which I have a few photos of other boats that I've been kind of cycling through, trying to see what is stock and what's original, because what was done to my boat was not original. And I've noticed that a lot of other boats do kind of a similar thing. They'll either make this a catch-all, an extra fridge, or a navigation station, which I don't know how to read a paper chart. Well, I don't have the room in here. You can see how small it is. So I'm opting for more fridge space because I gotta eat. And while I do the rest of the renovation, I want lots of food. And eventually, if I do chartering, I'm gonna need lots of extra food space. So getting rid of all the good stuff, including this big fridge here. Nope, that's not a fridge. That's an oven. Yep, getting rid of that. That didn't work. And I don't know how to bake. So there are a lot of other brands that I wanted. Stand-up fridges were my favorite looking, even though that the drop-in style like this is more efficient. But I could not get anything else through my door. This was the very biggest fridge, cooler, or anything that I could actually fit inside my companionway. So it fit the space the best, so I went with this Iceco dual chamber fridge freezer combo, where you can actually set each side individually for whatever you want, and have it go down, to 0 degrees or 60 degrees or whatever the heck you want. So it was programmable, and because of this, I liked it, and I'm giving it a shot. But it looks a little bit too modern for this boat, so I'm going to try to make it look a little stock by reclaiming some of the old lumber off of the back of the boat that I wanted to change out anyway, and making this little cover board, this face board. And I'm going to put those new pieces on here, so it should blend in pretty good with the design of the boat. I'm very glad I did that. This is disgusting. Dog hair for days, stuff I couldn't reach. This is gonna make it so much easier to clean, and keep it smelling nice, fresh in here. And also, because it's white, it really just kind of opens up the room a little bit.
Whoa. Guess we can close the file on that one.
Turned out pretty good. I'm very happy with that. It almost looks like it could have been stock and original for the boat. I've got it at 32 and 34 degrees right now, and it's working flawlessly.
Mighty ho, those are some big holes to fill.
Fridge is going. Got some food I can eat now. Thanks a lot for watching the journey. Like and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you next time.